Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Star of the show over here.
What's happening?
We've got the other star, Booker.
Dober.
It's a boat day. Going on the boat. Going on the boat, Dober. Going on the boat. Anyways.
I would edit that out.
She's so excited. She's been crying the entire time.
It's been great.
Anyways, it's her first time going on the boat. We're excited. We're also going to be first timers taking her on the boat today, so we'll see how this goes. Should be fun. It's the first nice day out in like 6 months.
Hold on. Did you say it's her first time on the boat and it's our first time taking her on the boat? Well,
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
We're first time dog boaters.
But you said the same thing two different
Right, but I was saying it's going to be a first time for us as well,
Yeah,
not just her.
That's like do fish drink water.
No, it's not the same as that. We'll see you at the boat ramp. What you doing, Bookers? Is it fun?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I think it's like 9:30 right now. Monday morning, had a great weekend. I am sunburned, tired, but it's Monday. I've got to get my life together today. We had the best weekend with our friend Andy and his girlfriend. Went to the beach, went to the boardwalk, went to our favorite restaurant that our rehearsal dinner was at. It's Andy's like favorite restaurant is Blue Water. But anyways, just had a great weekend with them. I am behind on sleep. I'm behind on paperwork for work. The house is a disaster because we were like in and out from the beach. Dog went to the beach. The floors are disgusting. Washing all of the guest bedding right now. I've got to do beach towels, bathroom towels, everything like that. So I just figured I would kind of do like a get my life together on a Monday vlog and show how I'm going to prepare for the week. I have a slightly busier end of the week this week. Typically like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are my busiest days for work. besides the weekend, because I work on the weekends. I did work while Andy was here on Sunday. I had a couple of appointments, but I need to catch up on paperwork from Sunday. And yeah, so I need to vacuum, mop, do the whole thing, do the whole house. I need to lather in lotion. I need to do my hair, but I don't even think I'm gonna get ready today, honestly, because I'm just gonna be home all day cleaning and catching up on paperwork. So what's the point? I'm definitely not putting makeup on this sunburn because it is so bad. Like, I am so red everywhere. But I'm gonna get started, and I figured I would start the vlog off. I need to place an order for Sephora today. I haven't gotten a Sephora order in a long time, and I'm like almost out of all of my moisturizers and stuff, which can't live without, so I need to place that order. And yeah, I'm going to avoid daylight today because my nose will burn off if it hits the sun. Boogie, good girl. You gonna help clean? Are you gonna help clean? You gonna help mom clean? Come here, boogers, come here. You wanna help mom? So I'm gonna get started. I'll take you guys along. I need to get groceries really bad. I made a big breakfast for everybody yesterday morning. I just need to get groceries and stuff. So let's get started. And back from work. I'm actually heating up my burrito from lunch today to eat because I'm hungry, and I figured I got a box in from Sephora, so I figured I would show what I got. I need to wash my face. It's been raining on and off all day. My hair's a mess, makeup's a mess. It's okay. So the first thing that I got, I needed a really good like face scrub, like exfoliant, and I went back to the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. I used this stuff for like 5 years. Actually, my nanners got me on this face wash. I remember she gave it to me, like, it had to be 10 years ago. She gave me like a whole bottle of it because she couldn't use it anymore, and she has really sensitive skin like I do, so maybe I got it from her. But anyways, she couldn't use this anymore. She gave it to me. I used it for years, loved it, then I ran out, never got it again. But I needed a good exfoliating cleanser, so anyways, got the Murad one. I actually opened it already. It's not in here, and I've been using it because I was sunburned a few days ago and I started peeling, so I like scrubbed all the dead skin off. But love this stuff if you're looking for a good exfoliator. Love this. The next thing I got is the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. I got 2 shades, and I actually already opened one of these up as well, but I got Apricot Glow and Bear Glow. And so this is what they look like. They're literally so good. It's like a chapstick. Is it focusing? It's just like a chapstick. It's not like an intense plumping action. It doesn't really do much, but it's literally like a chapstick lip gloss with a little bit of color, and it's amazing. So I just do like lip liner in that. Another lip product I got was this. I saw this on someone else's YouTube and it looked so good. Got the Summer Fridays lip balm. Oh, wrong way. And I got the Vanilla Beige, and this is just like a lip balm, but it's glossy and it has a little bit of a tint to it, so I wanted to try that. Also got some more face stuff. I got this travel kit from Biossance, and it's the vitamin C rose oil resurfacing night serum and the repair cream and the eye cream. And I saw a ton of people start using this brand, and it's a clean brand on Sephora, so I just wanted to try out. I'm trying to like find a really good routine because I feel like my face is getting, I was using Drunk Elephant for a long time. I feel like my skin is like getting used to it and it's not like doing a whole lot because I've been using it for years, so I'm trying to find a really good new routine. I still use the Summer Fridays jet lag mask like twice a week on my face as like a moisturizer, like a night moisturizer. So good, still love it. And the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is still like a cult favorite of mine as well, but I'm trying to try some new serums and stuff. Actually, this week I started using the Summer Fridays face oil, and it's amazing. Literally, I don't know if I'll ever stop using it. It's so good. The next thing I got, which looks broken. Did this break? Like, what? Well, this is broken, so I can't use that. It's the BB Curl Mousse. I've been wearing my hair natural a lot more lately, so I got a mousse because my hair is really curly, but it's broken, so that's great. I also tried I got the Biossance vitamin C and dark spot serum to try because I have a lot of dark spots on my face and I've been working on the skincare. And then, oh, this is just like the sample that they put in here. I wanted to try, actually, I picked this sample to try the foundation because I've heard everyone using this Giorgio Armani foundation and I want to try it. So that's everything I got, literally skincare and lip care. But I figured I would share because Sephora hauls are fun and I need to get a new one of these because that's broken. So anyways, I'm going to eat my burrito and get some work done. I've been gone literally all day, so now I need to catch up on paperwork and stuff and eat, and I need to get my office cleaned up. Oh, hi. Are you wondering who I'm talking to? Mom, who are you talking to? Mom, who are you talking to? There is no one there. Mom, you are cuckoo. You're talking to no one. You're literally talking to no one. There's no one here.